So today we're going to be sailing our Hobie Cat 16 from the Sarasota Sailing Squadron to Siesta Key Beach, and we're going to be storing it out there. It's going to take a little bit to get out there though, because right now it's not a trailer, so we're going to have to drive the trailer through on a convo because it's not street legal. And yeah, so here, that's where the squadron is. So we're going to sail out under the Ringling Bridge and sail through Big Pass. Then it's over there. That's where we're gonna keep it. See you guys when I'm on the road. So the drive's almost over. Just following them. We're almost at City Island. And yeah, nice houses. Call this here Millionaire Row. There's about 1 million of them. There's about 1 million millionaire rows. But yeah, we're almost there and I'll catch up with you there. Alright, so we're at the squadron right now. Just rigged the Hobie up. Look at that thing. Woo. That's a beauty. We had to put it on the trailer, drop it in to drive it to the ramp. Got the wheels over here. Oh yeah, we're about ready to set sail. Alright, see you guys once we set sail. Yeah. Man, we're going wing to wing.
Hey, you got a guy out here?
Yep.
You gotta be able to run just all the way down. Okay, I'll take the helm.
Yeah, man.
I mean, we sailed a little bit that day and sailed out to the sandbar. It wasn't just windy though.
Nope.
I'm glad that the rudders are flipping all the way down.
Yeah, me too.
Sunglasses. You know, did you bring any?
No, because I didn't want to drop them.
Yeah. I mean, I should have. If anything would happen, I'd just try to grab them.
Yeah.
First thing. But you should really have them.
Yeah.
Because your eyes are so young now.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, I can do it.
Yeah.
You don't know all the damage on this.
I wear them all the time at work.
Now I see some shallow water right ahead.
Yeah. So I think we should, because it's like real shallow there, but it doesn't look as shallow over here.
I'll keep going. Looks like we're staying right in it right now anyway.
Yeah, we are. Once we get past this, we'll be good. Yeah, hopefully it's still not deep enough. I think we will. Oh, wow, how shallow this is.
Yeah, I didn't get any shallower than this.
Alright, it's getting deeper. See that click?
That'll help a whole bunch. Now we better stay out here in this little channel.
Yeah.
Another thing bar over there. See it? Yeah, in the channel.
Yeah, because it gets shallow here again. See that?
Yeah. What do you think we should do?
Can you stay this course?
Yeah.
Or we can run over it.
What do you think? Head out?
Well, I would just do this, and it's only just right there. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we're on top of it right now.
Wow.
Alright.
Yeah.
And we're riding them right now.
Yeah. Hey, why don't you get up there and give us a lot of ballast?
Like,
Over here, stand out there.
no?
Come on up.
We're almost out of it.
Be able to reach right up that channel.
Yeah. Well, that was Sand Dollar Island we just passed, I think.
Yeah. We're almost there.
Yep.
Luckily we got the right wind.
Yeah.
Where we were at the beat up wind, you wouldn't want to go out here at low tide.
Nope.
While the tide's dropping too low.
Yeah. It's right there.
I'm just gonna kind of hit that here. Right down to that. Kind of riding some nice swells right here.
Yeah, we are. Yeah. All right, so just got back. It's a pretty fun sail. We're at Siesta Key right now. I'm gonna put you on and I'm gonna de-rig the boat. So unfortunately my GoPro did die and I wasn't able to film myself de-rig it or pull it up on the beach or show you guys what it's looking like sitting down on Siesta Key. But next time I go out there and sail it, I'll video the whole thing. And I'll get 2 batteries so this doesn't happen again. And if anybody wants to come sail with me, they're in the Sarasota area, Bradenton area, around Siesta Key, I'd love to. Just DM me or comment on this YouTube video and hit me up.